There's a company moving more money daily than most of the world's biggest banks, and most people have never even heard of it. That company is Binance, the largest crypto exchange on the planet. It's more than a trading platform. It's a financial powerhouse shaping the future of money. I'll show you how it works, why it's so powerful, and the controversies behind it. If you've ever been to a stock market, or at least seen one in the movies, you'll know the idea. There's buyers and sellers coming together to trade shares of companies. Now imagine that, but instead of company shares, people are trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other digital assets from all around the world. That's essentially what Binance is, but on a scale that puts most traditional financial platforms to shame. Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, both by number of users and by the amount of money that changes hands daily. It was founded in 2017 by a fellow Canadian, Changpeng Zhao. He's actually from Vancouver also. He's known to almost everyone in the crypto world as CZ. What's remarkable is how fast Binance exploded in popularity. In just a few short years, it went from a brand new startup to the #1 platform in global crypto trading. The appeal? Binance isn't just an exchange. It's an entire financial ecosystem. It's open 24/7, doesn't care about borders, supports hundreds of different cryptocurrencies, and offers tools for both the most casual beginners and most advanced professional traders. That's a quick breakdown of what Binance is. But here's the thing, Binance isn't the only player in the game. There are plenty of other platforms where you can buy and sell crypto. Keep watching, because later in this video, I'll break down exactly how Binance stacks up against those other exchanges. When most people think of a crypto exchange, they picture something simple. Just a place to buy and sell Bitcoin. But Binance is more like an entire shopping mall for digital finance. If you log in, here's just a taste of what you'll find. They have spot trading. This is the most straightforward way to trade crypto. You buy and sell instantly at the current market price. For beginners, it's the simplest way to get started. But they also have futures trading. This is for more advanced traders. It's kind of like making a bet on where a price will go in the future, often using leverage to amplify potential gains and potential losses. They also have staking. This is like putting your money in a high-interest savings account, but for certain cryptocurrencies. You lock them up, help secure the network, and earn rewards in return. But they also have a savings account. Here you can deposit your crypto and earn interest, often at rates much higher than traditional banks. In fact, some banks pay so little, your money's basically just sitting there bored, kind of like me at a family reunion, when I'm the only one there without any kids. Now, staking and saving accounts might sound like they do the exact same thing, but staking involves locking up your crypto to help secure a blockchain network, and in return, you earn rewards. With staking, your funds are typically locked for a set period, and the rewards depend on specific coin staking rules. Savings accounts are more about earning passive interest, while staking is a way of participating in the blockchain's operation and security. Binance also has an NFT marketplace, a hub where you can buy, sell, and even create NFTs, which are digital collectibles and art that are stored on the blockchain. They also have a Binance card, which is a debit card that lets you spend your crypto anywhere Visa is accepted. It instantly converts your digital assets into local currency at the time of a purchase. And for people who don't want to deal with complicated charts, there's the convert feature. You just pick the crypto you have, the crypto you want, and click swap. It's as easy as using a currency exchange booth at the airport. Now here's where Binance really stands out. It's not just a place to trade, it's a whole interconnected network of products and services. They have Binance Academy, which is a completely free learning platform with guides, videos, and even quizzes to teach you about crypto, blockchain, and Web3. Their Binance Launchpad is a platform for launching brand new cryptocurrencies and projects, giving users early access to tokens before they hit the mainstream. They also have Binance Pay, which is a feature that lets you send and receive crypto payments instantly with zero fees. BNB Chain is Binance's own blockchain. It's home to thousands of apps, games, and decentralized finance platforms. Binance Charity uses blockchain transparency to ensure donations reach the right places around the world. By offering all these tools under one roof, Binance keeps users engaged and active. You can learn, trade, invest, spend, and even donate, all without leaving the platform. Now, when I say Binance is bigger than most banks, I'm pretty much talking about their transaction volume. the total value of money that gets moved around. Every single day, Binance processes tens of billions of dollars worth of trades. To put that into perspective, some major banks' investment divisions handle less than that in an entire week. Another huge difference is Binance never closes. While banks shut their doors at 5 p.m. and take weekends off, Binance is open 24/7, 365 days a year, with traders active in every time zone. And in the countries where the local currency is unstable or suffering from high inflation, Binance often becomes a financial lifeline. People use it to store value in stablecoins, send remittances home, or escape the rapid loss of their money's purchasing power. Like any exchange, Binance earns its revenue mainly from fees. Their trading fees are about 0.1% per transaction, which is one of the lowest rates in the industry. Now this is really nice, because in crypto, you'll need every spare cent for therapy during those market dips. Binance does have withdrawal fees where you get charged when you send crypto to an outside wallet. And they have margin and futures fees. This is applied to those advanced traders that use borrowed funds or bet on future price movements. The thing is, even with such low fees, Binance's massive scale means those tiny percentages add up to billions of dollars in revenue each year. On top of that, Binance created its own cryptocurrency, BNB, which gives users discounts on trading fees, and it's become a major source of value for the company. The Binance coin was launched in 2017 as a simple way to give Binance traders a perk, lower fees. But over time, it's evolved into one of the most valuable cryptocurrencies in the world. Today, you can use BNB to do different things, such as pay for transactions on Binance's own blockchain, you could join exclusive token launches, and you could even pay for goods and services on partner platforms. Binance also burns, permanently removing a portion of BNB every quarter. This controlled reduction in supply helps maintain and potentially increase its value over time, which is basically Binance's way of keeping BNB rare and desirable, like that lingerie that only comes out on special occasions. Quick question for you. Do you use Binance or do you trade on another platform? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you use and what you think of it. I'm curious to see which platform gets mentioned the most. Crypto has a saying, not your keys, not your crypto. That means if your crypto is stored on an exchange, the exchange controls your private keys, not you. Leaving your crypto in an exchange is like parking your brand new Lambo that you bought with your crypto gains and leaving it in a sketchy neighborhood with your keys inside. You're just asking for trouble. Now, Binance has had its share of challenges. Back in 2019, hackers stole 7,000 Bitcoin from the platform. But Binance covered all customer losses using its Secure Asset Funds for Users, SAFU, one of the largest exchange insurance funds in the industry. Today, Binance uses multiple layers of security. They have two-factor authentication, withdrawal address whitelist, they have AI monitoring for suspicious activity, and they have cold storage for the majority of their funds. Still, most experts recommend keeping your long-term holdings in a personal wallet for maximum security. I learned that lesson the hard way. I've lost tens of thousands in both the Celsius and BlockFi fiascos. At the time, they both seemed like reputable places to keep my crypto while earning passive income. And sure, I eventually got most of it back, but the months of uncertainty and stress wasn't even worth it. In the end, I still lost money, and it taught me a valuable rule I follow to this day. If you're not actively trading, you need to keep your crypto in a wallet that you control. If you're finding this video helpful, go ahead and tap that like button. It lets me know you're getting value from videos like this, and it tells me to make more content just like it for you. Now, rapid growth doesn't come without attention, and Binance has had plenty of it from regulators. It's been investigated in multiple countries over compliance with anti-money laundering laws and operating with proper licenses. The most dramatic moment came in late 2023 when Binance agreed to pay over $4 billion in a settlement with US regulators, one of the largest corporate penalties in history. As part of that deal, founder and CEO CZ stepped down from his role and pleaded guilty to failing to maintain an effective money laundering program. In early 2024, CZ was sentenced to 4 months in a US federal prison. He served time at a low-security facility in California. For years, CZ has been the face of Binance, traveling the globe, speaking at conferences, and cheering on crypto adoption. His imprisonment was seen as a symbolic warning to the entire industry that even the most powerful players could face serious consequences for regulatory violations. The news sent shockwaves across both crypto and mainstream finance, making global headlines and sparkling debates about the future of centralized exchanges. Now, since then, Binance has focused on improving compliance, securing licenses in more jurisdictions, and trying to rebuild trust with both users and regulators. Compared to other major platform exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, or Bitstamp, Binance typically wins on three fronts. They have low fees, a variety of coins, and advanced features. Coinbase is simpler for complete beginners, but charges higher fees. Kraken has a reputation for excellent security, but offers fewer tokens. Binance aims to be the one-stop shop, giving you every possible crypto service in one place, which is why it continues to dominate in global market share. Now, if you want to learn exactly how to get started and use Binance step by step, make sure you subscribe now so you don't miss my full Binance tutorial coming out next week. Now, even if you've never touched crypto before, Binance is part of a massive global shift in finance. It's breaking down barriers for cross-border payments, giving people in unstable economies a way to store value, and pressuring banks to modernize their systems. In the same way Amazon changed shopping forever, platforms like Binance are changing how people think about money. From something stored in a bank to something you can move, trade, and invest instantly anywhere in the world. The changes Binance is driving are faster payments, lower costs, global access. Don't just benefit crypto users. They're setting expectations for the entire financial industry. Banks, payment processors, and even governments are watching closely. Some are adapting, some are competing, and others are trying to regulate the space heavily. The bottom line is this: the financial world of the future will be shaped by platforms like Binance. Whether you ever trade crypto or not, the ripple effects will touch your daily life. So now you know all about the largest crypto exchange in the world. Unfortunately, I can't even use Binance anymore. It pulled out of Canada about 2 years ago. These days, the biggest platform available here in Canada is Coinbase, and that's actually the main one I use. I put together a full step-by-step Coinbase tutorial that walks you through exactly how it works. Click right here to check it out. It could be the perfect next step for you.